Oh, what's up, everyone? I'm Tim Memphis here, with a quick video, because I just realized something that could change my life forever. That just knowing how to code, I can do anything I want. Just knowing a computer language, how to program a computer. I can program myself in Python, a assistant to help me with all the tasks that I can't do to live. This is revolutionary. Just knowing the Python language and knowing and getting a Raspberry Pi computer and and getting 3D printer. I can literally just by knowing how to work on computer, print myself a robot that does everything for me. Like, this is crazy. Yeah, this is why I'm sharing it with you today right now. It's because I want everyone to know that with coding, nothing's impossible. You can do anything if you know how to code. It's mind-boggling. I've been learning Python lately, and now I just want to go deep into Python, just learn Python. And now, because Python is so universal, I can use it for web development, which I'm doing right now. And then I can use it for AI and machine learning and how to build a robot and like all from a single language. This is all mind-boggling. So give this a video thumbs up. If you're just as like amazed as I am, like this is crazy. Like, and subscribe for more videos on computers and travel and vlog. I just like creating these videos. And thank you all for everyone who's already subscribed. And also, like, I'll leave my PayPal donation button in the description. If you enjoy these videos and you want to support me, that's the way to do it. So this will help keep the content coming and help me stay in Denver as well. Okay, because I love it here. This was the best decision I ever made. So I'm really glad I'm here, and we just had this snow recently on September 8th, I think. It's only September. We got first snow. Like, I love the call. Like, I love them. I just, this is a great place to, expect more videos from me, and I'll catch you in the next one.